everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it is fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and flipping through a requested deck. We are looking at the Spirit Animal Tarot by Dawn Brunke, illustrated by Ola Liola. This is published by Kiko Books and it retails for $18.95. The Spirit Animal Tarot blends traditional tarot symbolism with animal wisdom. This box contains a complete deck of 78 specially designed tarot cards and an accompanying can never say that, right? 96-page book, which explains how to use the cards and their meanings. Using tarot cards is a time-honored way to recognize patterns in our past, explore alternatives in our present, and predict potential outcomes in our future. Every card in this deck features a unique animal drawing that merges classic tarot meaning with animal teaching and guidance. All right, let's open her up. All right, so as you can see here, it's all kind of squished in this box. I do tend to like these boxes, even though they're a little bit difficult, you know, to put them away, because what I like to do is to take this piece and toss it out and just have the tarot cards, maybe a little mini notebook in there and a pen, and just take it with you. That's just an idea. All right, so here we go. Let's undo the plastic wrap. Look at the back. That's really pretty. So they feel like the other Kiko cards that I have. And let's just flip through real fast this book to see what is in store. So there's a lot of info here already. So we have what is tarot, the animal wisdom tarot. So it was breaking it down through the major, minor, quick guide to numbers, how to read the cards, and some spreads, and then the meaning of each card. That's really cool. Okay, so you get some basic info here, and then numbers, and then we have some spreads. So we have the 3-card, we have bear paws, paws instead of P-A-W-S. That's really cute. Then we have honeybee lovers spread. Oh, cute. And the Celtic cross. Okay, and then you get some sample readings, and then it goes into the card meanings. And it's all color pages, which is fantastic. I mean, you don't need it, but that's a really nice touch, especially for $18.95. So let's get into it. It looks like we also have different names for the titles. So this is the Fool, so it's actually going to be the Trickster in this deck. And yep, they are Kiko cardstock. So not bashing on this cardstock. It's actually really nice to shuffle with. It does get a little damaged if you're a chaotic shuffler like I am. So just keep that in mind. But again, for $18.95, these are usually fantastic decks for beginners especially. Very interesting. A raven for the magician. Oh, look at that reflection. I love it. Okay. Ooh. Knower of secrets. This is kind of fun. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Oh, majestic. Yes. Love it already. I think it's really great to see the corresponding animal for the card here. Oh, love it. The illustrations are fun. Horse. Okay. So this one might just be a little bit harder for beginners because the titles are different. So just keep that in mind. It might be a little bit harder to learn, but you know, it's not the end of the world if you're drawn to this deck. Love that. How cute. This gives me Silence of the Lambs vibes. But in a really good way. If that's an oxymoron, I would never know. Oh, nice. Shadow God of Liberation. Love it. Oh, yay, we do get a peacock in this deck. That's so cute. That is so sweet, having the rooster for the sun. Love it. Wow. Beautifully done illustrations. So, okay, we have branches, so that must be wands. And that's really nice that these aren't like pip cards. They actually have illustrations and scenes going on in them. That's great. Because a lot of times the Kiko brand has pip cards for their minor cards. So that's fantastic that we actually have scenes going on. Beautiful hummingbird. I'm very interested to see what the guidebook says for this. If they have like reasons why they chose the particular animal. That would be great. Oh my goodness. Oh, little camel. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to awe over this whole deck apparently. Love it. Shells must be cups. I'm so happy that the dolphins are in this deck. Oh, and the otters. Oh my gosh. Yes. Cute. All right. Well, you know, nothing I don't like so far about this deck, which is awesome. They have manatees in here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Love it. So seers must be pages, seekers must be knights, nurturers must be queens, and guardian must be kings. Very cool. Fossils must be pentacles. Yeah, I'm loving that there's little symbols here and there. You can kind of tell what the card means by just looking at it, which is fantastic. Very cool. It's a very gentle deck. Very gentle. Even with the more scary or negative cards that we've passed, they're very gentle. Deer, oh, cute. Oh, little puppers. Oh my goodness. Yay, we get a llama. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we got a lot of my favorites in here, so that's fantastic to see. All right, and finally we have the swords. Cute. Yay, a magpie. Albatross. Oh, gotta add in that crow. Love it. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Cute. Oh, and we have an eagle. Okay, so let's see how it shuffles, and then we'll pull a card and read from the guidebook. Yep, shuffles just fine. I don't have a problem with this at all. Like I said, they are on the thinner side, but they are glossy. So that means there's a little bit more sturdiness to the card, at least for me. I'm not a huge fan of glossy coats just because this is what I do. So if there's fingerprints or smudges on the gloss or a reflection, you're able to see it better, but it's not the be all end all. It's not a negative toward this deck at all. All right, let's see how it shuffles this way. Yeah, I don't have a problem with this. It's a bigger size of a card, so just keep that in mind, but I feel like it's a very common size. And it handles just like all of the other Kiko published tarot cards that I have that come in the same little box. All right, and we're gonna read Jaguar. 8 of Branches. So that's very cool. I really like how they stuck with a certain like animal group per suit. So that's really awesome to see. It's different. I like the little symbols that are going on in the scenes. I honestly don't really have a lot of harsh criticism for this deck. Okay, so let's flip to the Jaguar. So this is 8 of Branches. Traditional would be 8 of Wands. Element, fire. Theme, motionless movement, deepening pause, efficiency, expertise, and freedom. Intently focused, still, and silent in the jungle clearing, Jaguar reveals the power of the pause. Shh, look, listen, feel. Open your senses to the secret world around you. With calm composure, we expand our awareness of presence. Attuned to subtle energy shifts, we move gracefully, intuitively, in perfect harmony with ourselves and our environment. Skilled and sensitive, Jaguar melds passion with insight in order to use personal power more efficiently. When fueled with enthusiasm and aligned with natural flow of spirit, our plans unfold effortlessly. Essential elements, encounters, and events synchronize and fall into place. Can it be this easy? Trust yourself, but sense deeply before you pounce. Jaguar brings out our best by sparking creative fires and tempering our metal. This card, I can read, I swear. I just need more coffee. This card recommends trusting spiritual gifts. Pay attention to telepathic insights. Use intuition to discern life's hidden clues. Jaguar helps burn away fear and judgment so we may confidently share our truth, whether connecting with nature spirits or embracing cosmic energies. With Jaguar, we see ordinary limitations and the journey beyond. And then there is a message here. Feel the flow, trust your power, and emanate your true self. Okay, so remember when I was like, oh, I wonder if they're going to see in the guidebook if we see why they chose that particular animal. They do. And there's a lot of information. It's not just like, here's some keywords, figure it out. Like there's a reason behind the scene that you're seeing. And I love that, especially if you're learning. It helps so much to see the author's vision and why they chose this particular animal in the scene here. So that helps your intuition, especially with looking at that reasoning as well as what's going on. So that's fantastic. So what I will say, the only negative thing I see going on here is that everything is different titles. However, it's not a true negative for me. It just may be a little bit harder for you to learn if you're just starting out, but I feel like it's something that's easily overcome, like you can overcome it, if that makes sense. It's not going to impair you for too long, I'll say, because it all makes sense. And if you're drawn to this deck, it's a fantastic price. It's beautifully illustrated, and I feel like they really picked fantastic animals to go with each card here. And the fact that there's a scene in the minor is a huge plus because like I mentioned prior, usually with this type of deck, they are more of pip cards. So you'll see just the symbol. So you'll see pentacles or you'll see swords. You won't necessarily get, you know, a scene going on with the card. So my opinion, I really like this deck. I feel like it's super gentle, super inspiring, really. And I feel like there's a lot of information in this little book for $18.95. So if you are drawn to it, I say check it out and see what you think, especially if you can get it a little bit cheaper, because I tend to find Kiko books randomly pop up at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and there's usually sales online, especially if they've been out for a while. I know this has been out for a few years. I'm just not positive exactly when, but my thought being is if you like this, I feel like it's worth the penny, and I think it's a beautiful deck. I very much like this deck. So let me know your thoughts. If this is one that you already own, let me know down in the comments what you think about it. If you use it, what are your opinions? Do you like the price? Do you like the art? What do you not like? It's always fun to hear your guys' thoughts. That being said, thank you so much for spending time with me. I always enjoy hearing everything you have to say, and I love that you guys keep coming back. It just tickles my heart. I love it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.